Hello everybody, and here we are for another WBMP challenge. So I'll try to keep the talking bit as short as possible, so you may see some editing going on here. So the first thing, as soon as the challenge was launched, I grabbed the music and I went to my piano, modern upright piano. So before even analyzing the notation of the music, I always take in consideration clarity and quality of tone. Then I started looking into the notation, and the elements that influenced me are the rhythm. So we have this dotted note figure, yeah, that repeats itself a lot. Then the embellishments. Then there is a particular passage here, and we are talking about this part. I don't know if you can see, where you have this jump in the left hand, and there is a repeated note there that from the left hand, then you do the same note with the right hand, and maybe the presence of triplets as well. But that's pretty much what I looked at. I pretty much decided that I was happy to play this piece of music in a tempo of a quarter note between 80 and 100, probably sitting in the middle of that, or even leaning towards the slower speed. Then I forgot about the challenge, until one day I came across an article in this, and this article simply mentioned that Haydn read C.P. Bach's essay on the true art of playing keyboard instruments, and that influenced him to the point of him changing the way he notated certain things in his music. Just to say that, if someone like Haydn took C.P. Bach seriously, probably the guy had some importance at the time. It happened that at the same time I just had found on eBay C.P. Bach's essay. Quite a bargain, £5.50. Nobody wanted it except a person who bid £5, and I took it for £5.50. Lucky me. I just got it, so I will need to study it properly. But I found, and I will quickly quote here, some things that have influenced me in the choice of the tempo here as well, some general elements to think about. Chapter 3 on performance, and then we go to paragraph 5. In general, the briskness of allegros is expressed by detached notes, and the tenderness of adagios by broad slurred notes. So expressing the feeling, or let's say the character of the piece through articulation and not necessarily speed. Paragraph 10. The pace of a composition, which is usually indicated by several well-known Italian expressions, is based on its general content, as well as on the fastest notes and passages contained in it. Due consideration of these factors will prevent an allegro from being rushed and an adagio from being dragged. With not much time left to prepare for this challenge, I decided to do it on the clavichord. I don't have a clavichord probably like the clavichord that Haydn would have had, and in fact my clavichord does not have the range to be able to play this work, but considering I'm going to present only the first 2 pages, the first part of the first movement, there is only one high E there, so I simply changed that for a C and it works. The clavichord seemed to me to suit better this music than the modern piano. Just felt I would do that and challenge myself even more. Those of you who play the clavichord know what I'm talking about. Here's the clavichord, Dolmetsch from 1971 with 4 octaves and 2 notes ending on D.